Hi guys, I'm a homeschool mom of 3. I currently have a 2-year-old, 4-year-old, and a 7-year-old. This week we are reading for our morning time together, we're reading a story for Small Bear, and we have a couple of activities that we're going to include with this week. So if you're interested in something like this, stick around, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so today is Monday. We're going to sit down as a family and we're going to read this story. And then after we're done, I'm going to let my 4-year-old and 2-year-old, they're going to build bear caves, which are basically just forts. And then they're going to play with their bears in there as if they're hibernating. So that's like kind of the theme that we're going with reading this story. It's about fall and the bears preparing for winter. And we have activities each day this week. I got this idea. I was watching, I can't remember who I was watching, but if you put in a search for 5 in a row, you'll see like some of the homeschool moms are doing this. And that whole curriculum, they're using classical books, which, I mean, that's fine. We just don't have them, or I could guess go to the library and get them as well, but I really wasn't interested in purchasing another curriculum. But I thought it was a good idea because it covers science, history, art, cooking, geography, English. It covers like a whole bunch of subjects. But in this instance, all I did is I just went on Pinterest and I found things that apply to my home. So like I didn't pick any activities that I didn't have any materials for. I think I probably went and got maybe 2 things, which was like some, for the activity on Friday, some icing, some of the like black icing that you write with, and maybe some small marshmallows. But everything else we have at our home. So I just thought it was a really good idea. So yes, today they are going to build, after we read the story, they're going to build caves, which are just forts, and then play with their toys in there, or their bears, as if they're hibernating. So I hope that you enjoy our week of lesson planning for my preschoolers. Some wind swirled into the den after noontime nap. Small Bear shivered. Can you guys shiver? Show me when you're cold, what do you do? You know what, bud? This week our letter is letter F. Do you see a letter F right here on this page?
No.
Do you see a letter F in this page, in this word?
Yes.
Oh, point to it. Let me see.
I don't see it.
You do see it. Good job. High five. All right, bud. Okay, so what's a den?
I don't know.
Okay, so a den is where bears sleep, and it's nice and cozy. Do you think you can make like a fort that's nice and cozy? Yes or no? What do you think? Yeah, you think? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make. All right, guys, listen to mommy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make forts that are like our dens, and we're gonna play like we're bears. We're going to make it nice and cozy. And what does cozy mean? You think? Do you think it's do you think it means comfortable, or do you think it means hard and rough? Comfortable?
No. Comfortable.
Yeah.
Comfortable.
Yeah, nice and comfortable. So we're going to make nice and comfortable, all right?
We gotta make it.
All right, guys, this is the fort that they ended up making. And I forgot to mention that I'm pregnant with twins, so that's why you see me sitting on the couch in the beginning, because I was really tired, but they had fun doing this. All right, guys, so today is Tuesday. We're still continuing our unit on a story for Brown Bear. And today what we're going to do is I'm going to read them the story, and then we're going to do a hibernation craft. So we're just going to take one of these, Dollar Tree plates, fold it in half, cut out this part, and they get to paint this to be like a mountain or a cave or whatever. And then we're going to go on it's raining here, But I think we can pull it off. We can collect some leaves and little twigs in our yard, and they can put them in there and draw a bear, and there's their hibernation craft. And then we'll talk a little bit about the words that we're going to focus on this week are cozy, and we're still going to talk about hibernation and bears and what different animals do in the wintertime. So this is a quick and easy craft. I had these from another craft. So these are like our crafting paper plates. And we're just gonna keep it simple. So I'll take you along once they get a chance to, when they have their free time outside and they start collecting their little leaves and twigs. All right. All right, guys, so we're gonna finish our story on a story for Brown Bear. So, what do you guys remember from yesterday? Why did Small Bear, why did he have to go pick up sticks for his mama? Huh? To make a winter bed so that they could, so it's an H. Hibernate. Very good. Okay. So they could hibernate. So today what we're going to do is we're going to read our story. Huh?
In the winter time, they freeze themselves, and then when they come back to life and stand.
Yes. So after we read the story, we're going to make yesterday y'all made a fort, like a cave, so you can be nice and cozy, just like the bears. And today we're just going to do a little craft with a paper plate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start reading, and then a story for Small Bear. When a late autumn wind swirled into their den after noontime nap, Small Bear shivered. Brrr. I smell frost in the air. Mama said, tonight we'll start our winter slumber. Small Bear snuggled close. Will you tell me stories before we sleep, she asked. I'd love that, Mama said, but there's work to finish first. If you help, no dilly, no dally, then we'll have time for stories. And while I read to them, I do allow them to do like a small activity that's quiet. So it's either playing with Play-Doh, a quiet toy, or sometimes they just want to listen. Another thing that I like about keeping a story for the whole week is that you get to incorporate vocabulary and they get to hear it over and over again. You can paint the inside too, like Ben Ben. See how Benny painted the inside? Make sure you get the inside.
Mommy, I bet
Yep, keep painting. So, as they were painting and finishing up their projects, they continued to listen to music and finish up. And here are some of their finished products. Small Bear got right to work. With the sun shining high, she helped Mama gather sprigs of spruce to make a soft, warm nest. Did you guys gather sprigs of spruce yesterday? Yeah. See?
Why is Mama Bear? Why?
Alright guys, so it's Wednesday. We just got back from the library. They made some pizzas for lunch. While they were eating, I read to them their story, and then now they finished their lunch and they are starting to make the caves with the marshmallows and toothpicks. So I'll let you guys kind of see how they're doing with that, progressing with that. Here, 1 second. Hey, Dada, move your juice out the way. Yeah. Perfect. There you go. All right, but move your bowl a little bit. Oh, well, we can see it. Let me just get a little closer to it. Good job.
Okay, I need to make.
So having them build these really promotes science, technology, engineering, and math, which is STEM. And I do kind of like the steam thing, but we did art yesterday, so I guess that kind of involves a little bit of steam. But this is just really good. And can you hear that? They're quiet. They're really into this. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Yeah, buddy. Stay near them. I'm gonna clean up from lunch and just enjoy watching them do that. Play them some music. Have a great day.
Yeah.
You guys are funny.
Really, baby.
All right, we are into the next day, and I think it's Thursday. We are making like a little treat under the cooking category. They're just gonna make little bears. They actually turned out looking like rabbits, but hey, they looked great. Here we just took a big, huge marshmallow, cut it in half the long way, and then took the other part that was left over, cut that diagonally, and folded it, and it automatically sticks together. So we made ears. Then I had some leftover cake stuff left over. So I had eyes, took some noses from Raisinets, and then I had some black icing to make the nose.
That's why I was aiming.
Alright guys, so today is Thursday. They've already made their bear treats in the cooking category. That was pretty fun. Hopefully, yeah, you could get to see that clip. They made pizzas, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to still read them the story while they're eating, and then they're going to enjoy their pizzas and their little treats. Excuse my looks, but this is just real life. I am 34 weeks pregnant with twins, and I'm wearing this because I don't want my bra to show, but I am in like a little pajama set, so, and my hair is still wrapped. So today we're just gonna finish our story. Will you tell me stories before we sleep, she asked. I'd love that, Mama said, but there's work to finish first. If you help, no dilly, no dally, then we'll have time for stories.
I see it.
Once I finished reading and they finished their lunch, they got an opportunity to eat their special treat. They really enjoyed it. How is it, Chef Jess? Tastes good? Yeah? How is it, bud?
It's good.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. How has it been, Ben?
If we didn't.
Good morning, guys. Today is day 5, and what we're going to do today is while I'm reading the story to them, they're going to work on
I'm done.
Great. So now, well, I see one more number 1 right here. They're working on a coloring page where they're just identifying numbers and colors. And then that'll be the end of our story. So I'll show you guys what they're working on while I'll read. Look at my crumbs coming in my face. Okay, I'm showing. Give me a second. Let me finish. Okay, now go to number 2. Number 2 is pink, Donovan. Okay, so while I'm reading, they're going to continue to color their pages. When late autumn winds. All in all, this is a great week. I definitely will be doing this with another book next week. I'm already scrolling on social media at night, so scrolling through Pinterest to find some activities isn't going to be hard. All right, guys, that was the end of our week. I hope this motivated you to try something new in your homeschool, and don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye. Jesus loves you.